Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing. We have a product which I have purchased from BIKENBiker. They are a biking accessories manufacturer in Bangalore, and they are pretty good at what they do. So they have sent me this to my place. So this is a pretty nice product, especially for bikers. So let's unbox this product and see how it is. So here you go. Yeah, the packing is pretty nice. They have secured the product very nicely. Let's see what is inside this. Okay, this is nothing but an intercom for bikers. This is the latest version of the Parani M10 boom, which is a motorcycle intercom. So let me just open this cover. Okay, so this is how the box looks. This is the Parani M10, which is the 2021 edition, and it is manufactured by SENA, and this is one of the best intercoms at a budget price which you can actually find. So I will tell you more about how much it is at the end, what are some features which is something what we're going to see next time around. But this time we are primarily concentrating on how is this product, what is inside the box, and rest everything will be done a little later. So let's quickly open the box and see the contents. Oh man, this is very nice. Okay, the packing is superb. Very nice, soft packing so that it doesn't damage the product. So coming straight to the product, which is very important. So this is the Parani M10 intercom for your helmet, and okay, there are some cover and everything. So let's come back to this product a little later. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, we have a cover with a lot of accessories inside it. This is a quick start guide. Which we have got, and yeah, how to operate, what are the buttons of this product. That is something what they have given. So we'll come back to this a little later. This is the product. I'm putting it aside. Yeah, so this is a bag full of accessories what they have given. So I would like to see them one by one. Okay, so this is the part which goes to your goes onto your helmet. Yeah, this is how it gets attached. Yeah, this is one way to mount it to the helmet. Keep that aside again along with the device. Then you have the charging cable. So this is a Type C charging cable which we have. So pretty lengthy. Comes in very handy for any other Type C charging products if you may have. So you can use them as well. So very nice. Okay, this is the main connector. I think this is the adapter, if I am not wrong. This is the adapter which we have. Yeah, so this sits inside your helmet. So this sits inside your helmet. Yes, this is inside your helmet, that through which you will be able to hear the fellow riders. Okay, this is important. So I showed you one way to mount it onto your helmet. So this is another way. So this is the clip which goes into the helmet and sits. So what you can do is, if you do not wish to stick anything on your helmet, this is one way of you fix this, and this goes onto your helmet. This is number one. Number two, this goes onto this product goes onto this, and this clip is something which will clip onto your helmet. So two ways of mounting this device, which is very nice, well thought of. And these are some, I feel, yeah, these are ear muffs as well as dead cats, which you can use it with this. So you definitely need a dead cat here. so you can use. There are two which they have given, and two of the foam which you can attach to your earpieces. And yeah, so that's about it. That's the unboxing. So we have seen all the products. So I'll be doing a detailed review of this Parani M10 intercom after I use it on a ride, and then I will give you a review. But take a closer look of how the product is, and this is what you see. So coming to the price of this device, it is a standard price across wherever you want to buy. So let me show you the price of this. Okay, it's written on the box. It is 6,499 Indian rupees, and that is how much it costs you. Thank you very much, and we will meet you in another video. Thank you for watching.